Hello, grade 2. Let's start our first lesson in quarter 3, land and water resources. Again, land and water resources. Let's start to know what are these resources. People use natural resources to live. Again, people use what? Natural resources. What is a natural resource? A natural resource is something that is found in nature that people can use. Again, a natural resource is something that is found in nature that people can use. The first resource is people use air. Again, air. People, plants, and animals need clean air to live. Can we live without air? Of course not. So the first natural resource that we need or that we use is air. All living things need clean air to live. Some people use moving air to bring power to their homes. They use something depends on air to bring power in home, like these turbines on the top. What are these turbines? We will know. A wind turbine used the wind's energy to produce energy. This wind turbine exists in a place that have no building, depends on air or the power of air. So it's move and it produce electricity. The second natural resource people use water. So the first one is air, the second one is water. Can we live without water? People use water for drinking, cooking, cleaning, and growing plants for food. So we need water in everything in our life. In cleaning, in cooking, for planting our food, everything depends on water. So the first resource is air, the second resource is water. Like air, water can also be used to produce electricity. In some dams, water produces electricity by flowing through and turning big machines. Like this, we can see these dams. We can use these dams and these big machines to produce electricity, and these dams machines depends on water. So again, from the beginning, people use natural resources to live. What is the natural resource? A natural resource, something found in nature that people can use, or any living thing can use. A natural resource, something found in what? In nature. And again, a natural resource, something found in what? In nature that people can use and any living thing can use. The first natural resource is air. The first thing is air. Can we live without air? Of course not. People, plants, and animals, every living thing need clean air to live. Some people use moving air to bring power to their homes. So we can use air not just in breathing or to live, we can also use air to bring power, like electricity. How can we use air? By using wind turbines. The power of wind or the energy of wind to bring electricity or to produce electricity. These wind turbines found in a big place like this place without any building, it depends on just air. The second natural resource is water. Can we live without water? Of course not. We use water for drinking, cooking, cleaning, and growing plants for food. Like air, water can also use to produce electricity. So we can depend on air, on water to produce, not just we use it in our daily life, we can also bring power by water and air. Air by using wind turbines, water by using dams and or turning big machines. These machines produce electricity and it depends on water. Thank you so much.